Welcome back to Maexology. Today's video, we are going to look at the 10 cool survival gadgets you should have. The links to the products are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy watching. Spring Baton. The Spring Baton is the ideal self-defense equipment to have with you when you're out, and about because of its metal frame and stylish design. The baton is only 8.5 inches long and weighs 1 pound 3 ounces when it is collapsed. That makes it ideal for slipping into your pants pocket. The weapon is quite strong because it is constructed of high-quality steel and has a silver finish. A black rubber grip with finger grooves is attached to the handle. The baton extends to its full length with just one button press once it is in your hands. It basically functions as a sword that can be extended with a 20.5 inches reach. Additionally, this thing's spring exerts considerable power when pushing the baton out. On touch, it is strong enough to hurt anyone. You shouldn't be concerned about accidentally opening it because the handle has a safety lock. The cost of this baton is $43. First Spear Stranghogg V3 Sapi. A list of tactical supplies would be incomplete without an effective plate carrier. The First Spear Stranghogg V3 Sapi is available here. You could now be wondering why the Stranghogg. Well, since it offers special, tested technology, even under the most difficult circumstances. It includes the cutting-edge rapid release technology for a trustworthy and powerful opening. It is more useful because of the maul and an important zipper admin pocket. A lengthy, comfortable combat session is ensured with the padded shoulder straps. Go ahead and purchase this fantastic cut plate carrier if you don't mind spending up to $622. Mil-Spie 5. The tactical knife is unquestionably another iconic piece of equipment. And the Tops Mil-Spie 5 is one of those knives that exceeds practically all expectations. Mil-Spie 5 was created especially for the armies with industrial-eating 1095 high-carbon steel to accomplish extraordinary results, as suggested by its name. So take pleasure in the ideal balance of performance and quietness, because it is small enough for concealed carry and has a razor-sharp edge that can cut through the toughest materials. This incredible knife costs $220. A link in the description below offers further options if you are interested for a cheaper alternative. MK3. This sophisticated travel tool also functions as a walkie-talkie and connects to a smartphone, a Bluetooth speaker, an LED flashlight, a stylus, and a radio emergency beacon. The gadget also ensures your phone's safety and is unafraid of shock or water. Simply pair the MK3's Bluetooth with your phone to get it going. Once you've finished, you can use the MK3 in place of your smartphone and put it in a secure location inside your suitcase. Simply push the larger button on the side of the gadget to answer a call. It is important to note that you don't need to place the gadget in your ear to chat. Thus, you can continue using your hands for any task while you talk. The device features a unique feature that enables it to be used as a standard walkie-talkie. For instance, speaking only when the appropriate button is pressed. You can utilize the radio beacon, which is also activated by a separate button in an emergency. Additionally, the MK3 is waterproof and snow-resistant. Like other outdoor equipment, it just has a 5.8 ounce weight. It may also be utilized as a potential speaker, and if you want to purchase this, the cost of this item is $90. Pentagon Dios. With a capacity of roughly 65 liters, this backpack is a roomy expedition backpack that lets you pack all the gear you'll need for a multi-day excursion. The main compartment, which is closed with a welt and a flap, retains the bulk of the cargo area. There is a compartment divider inside the main compartment that lets you create a separate access point for the smaller compartment at the bottom of the backpack. The flap has additional pockets on the inside and exterior that are great for transporting smaller items. There are also 2 substantial trays on the sides for additional equipment. You may easily add more pockets and pouches to the backpack using the tapes in the maul system. The backpack's carrying mechanism consists of mesh-covered back padding and strong strengthened shoulder straps for your mobile suitable gear. The plethora of pockets, compartments, patches, and webbing will keep things organized and boost carrying capacity. Check out the link below to see the range of costs. Lalo's Shadow Amphibian. The ideal tactical boot for special troops. It is produced in collaboration with military personnel and U.S. Navy SEALs. This footwear is made to be worn on land, at sea, or in the air. The features ensure that your laces remain secure even in the harshest circumstances, including a secret lace pocket and KPU lacing system, a full-grain leather upper, and Trek dry interior made of bamboo and ceramic for moisture management. The KPU grill is a debris restriction system with ventilation, carbonized rubber toe cap and fin lock, as well as a sleep amp profile for a snug fin fit. Passive drainage system enables water to enter and exit the boot as required for additional weight reduction. The outsole is made of blown rubber by DuPont. When wearing the Lalo Amphibian boot, your efficiency increases by up to 35% when moving. Get yours right away for $365. XVision Night Vision Binocular, giving you the capacity to see clearly even in total darkness. The exhibition's brand new, reasonably priced extreme night vision binoculars are revolutionizing the way you view the world. With this night vision binocular, you can see anything up to 300 yards away in complete darkness. On the other side during the day, you will be able to see everything up to 500 yards away. It has a 3x optical lens with a 20-year filter vision at 100 yards and a minimum zoom of 3x. And a maximum zoom of 6x. Additionally, it has the capability to record videos and capture images as necessary. Additionally, it makes use of 8 AA batteries that are not rechargeable, has a battery life of up to 10 hours during the day, and about 6 hours when using night vision. Last but not least, the cost of these binocular night visions vary from $139 to $319. Heliko Text Wolfhound Jacket. It is breathable, pleasant, and lightweight to provide you with all-around performance. This Heliko X Wolfhound jacket combines nearly all the features and aesthetics of a premium tactical jacket. It is made from Windpack nylon, an incredibly light but very protective material providing comfort and durability. Additionally, this material offers the wear-off maximum amount of warmth, while safeguarding the inner insulation from damage. Featuring soft fleece collar lining versus stretch armpit fabric panels and limb shield apex padding in every circumstance, this tactical jacket will provide increased comfort and better airflow. Furthermore, the jacket contains 4 pockets and 2 external zippered pockets. If you're interested, this jacket costs between $139 to $207. Free Soldier water-resistant pants. With these waterproof pants, you may experience a rough but pleasant experience. A pair of waterproof tactical pants will keep you comfortable during the worst. This tactical pants milled material is a TC ripstop fabric which will keep you dry and watertight as opposed to the DuPont Teflon coating which will protect it from dirt, grime, and stains. This pair of tactical pants also features security pockets, hook and loop pocket, and tactical aft pockets to enable the most practical usage. In the most challenging situation, it is wise to keep the men's water-resistant tactical pants from Free Soldier. Get yours right away for $39. The last product is the BattleBelt. Fantastic tactical belt to get you through the toughest situations. Approximately 1,000 in-ear PVC nylon fabrics used in the construction. This BattleBelt is durable enough for use in the roughest environments. The BattleBelt also has laser cut MOLLE, so you may carry your knife, handgun, and magazines with the utmost ease. Additionally, the Cobra buckle on this tactical belt has a rapid release feature that allows you to unlock it whenever you desire. All things considered, the BattleBelt is a fantastic addition to your list of military tactical gear due to its strong construction, user-friendly clasp, and MOLLE support. Buy yours right away for $40. We have reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. See you on the next video. Ciao.